So my Osmo Nano just arrived. Let's have a look. Quite surprised by how tiny it is. Let's open up. Here you find the charging cable. This is the thing that you hang around your neck and under your shirt where you can place the camera. It will be stuck with magnet. The mount with the suction cup. This is the battery pack with the screen. I don't know what they call it. This is the camera. This is the tiny little camera with a screen protector here. Yep. Very cute. They go on like that or the other way around. The camera protector, the case. You can clip this on a cap to mount your camera.